Okay, this is the final exam review number 5. So we will be discussing the depreciation method. There are different depreciation methods. Okay, we have already solved problems in class as well, and the methods are, say, straight line method. Okay, straight line methods. Then sum of years digit method. We have double declining balance method, and we have units of activity method. Okay, so we all know about that, so I'm just giving you some preliminary ideas how do we calculate that. So for the straight line method, what you will do, you will take the cost. Okay, so you will take the cost and you will subtract the residual value. Okay, and divide it by number of years, so you will get every year's depreciation. And for the sum of years digit method, so you will first calculate the sum of years. So, and the formula is n multiplied by n plus 1. N is the number of years. So if the number of years is 5, then you will have 5 multiplied by 5 plus 1 by 2 equal to 15. Okay, and past year's depreciation in case of sum of years digit will be the depreciable amount multiplied by past year, being 5 over 15. This will be the past year's depreciation. And double declining balance method, it will be the rate of depreciation, or in case of double declining would be say 1 over number of years, that is n multiplied by 2. And in case of units of activity, and per unit depreciation would be cost minus residual value, okay, divided by number of units. Okay, this is the per unit depreciation. So you will see the examples. So we have already solved this kind of problems in the class. Okay, let's see the partial year depreciation, partial period depreciation. This is very important. So partial period depreciation is a little bit tricky. So you have to consider the 12 month. Okay, so you will see that how many months we have used this year. We have this year. Okay, so you will be calculating the remaining months depreciation in the year, and it is particularly important in case of sum of years digit method and double declining balance method. Okay, let's see an example that will help us a lot. So here is an example how we can see that depreciation for a partial period. So the quality appliance purchased equipment for 600,000. The estimated service life is 5 years. Okay, and the residual value is 50,000. Okay, so the calculate the depreciation for 2018 and 19 using straight line method, sum of years digit method, and double declining balance method. Okay, we'll go to the solution immediately. We'll see that here the per year depreciation would be, say, you can see the 600,000 cost minus the residual value, that is 50,000, divided by number of years. This is the per year depreciation. This is the whole year depreciation. Okay, and for 2018, see, we have started on May 31st. It means that we will calculate the depreciation for May, June, July, August. We will not be calculating May because it has started on May 31st. So we will start from June. Okay, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So 7 months, right? So for 2018, our depreciation would be, see, the 110,000 multiplied by 7 over 12. Can you see that? So it should be equal to, see, 110, 1, 2, 3,000 multiplied by 7 over 12. See, the same amount we can see. Okay, and for 2019, the whole year's depreciation, well, 12-month depreciation for straight line, it's okay. So you understand. So sum of years digit. So sum of the years would be equal to. So it would be equal to n is 5 multiplied by 5 plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, so that is 15. Can you see that? That is 15. Okay, and for 2018, our depreciation would be, see how will be the depreciation for 2018. For 2018, our depreciation would be, say, let me show you the formula here. So our depreciable amount is 550,000 multiplied by 5 over 15. Okay, this is first year's depreciation multiplied by 7 over 12. Can you see that? So this would be that. So this is the amount. It's the same amount. Okay. And for 2019, so for 2019, we have 7 months in 2018 and the remaining 5 months in 2019. So the same thing again. So 550, okay, multiplied by 5 over 15 multiplied by 5 over 12. Okay, this is the same. Can you see that? How we get this amount? And for 2019, remaining 7 months, we have, how do we do that? See, 550 multiplied by 4 over 15. 1 year has passed. So, and 7 over 12. Can you see that? Okay, this is the total depreciation of 2019. So how do you get that? This one plus this one. This is the total depreciation of 2019. Okay, now come on, double declining balance method. So double declining rate would be equal to 1 over 5. Okay, multiplied by 2. That is 40% depreciation. So in 2018, our depreciation would be, see, how do we calculate that 2018? So we will consider the full value, meaning the full cost. So that is 600,000 multiplied by 0.4, 40% multiplied by, that is, here it is 7 months in 2018. Okay, so if we just use, okay, so this is how we get the depreciation for 2018. And for 2019, we have 5 months for first years and 7 months for second years. Okay, in 2019, the same thing. Okay, so this is how we did that, you can see, and this is the total depreciation in 2019. So I think you have understood. So please pause the video and watch it again. Thank you.